We know that features tell, but benefits sell. What do I mean by that? People want the what's in it for me before you tell them what to do. And that's the whole concept of a benefit plus procedure statement. So here's how it works, okay? The benefit describes what's in it for the patient. And where does that benefit come from? It comes from the motivators and concerns that they had just shared with you. The procedure is the general thing that you want them to do that describes what will happen in global terms, because the features are going to get more specific. And when you do a benefit plus procedure statement, you are on the road to patient acceptance. The benefit statement is always tied to the patient motivators. Make very, very, very certain that when you are presenting a benefit statement that it isn't yours. So, for example, let's say a patient has a time motivator so that we can get you out of pain as soon as possible and avoid any further disruption of your work schedule. Dr. Williams will see you at 11 this morning. That's a classic benefit plus procedure, right? Once you've got that benefit plus procedure statement, you can then confirm the benefit with a feature statement. And the feature statement describes the facts. This is the logic. Now, finally, if you're moving along and the patient is lining up to what it is that you are influencing, you're ready to start testing the waters. And these are called tie downs and test close. And what we're doing with a tie down and test close is we're asking patients to make a series of minor agreements before making the major commitment to their ideal treatment plan. The test close follows an affirmative response to the tie down and strengthens that patient's commitment to the next step. It's also built on giving patients a choice, because it's very important that a patient doesn't feel like a bug on their back with their mouth open. We want to give patients choice whenever we can, therefore they get a sense of control. Bottom line, my friends, people buy people. This is why your examination and treatment conference is so important.